Okay, okay. Welcome to Barnstormers, everybody. Okay, simple, nice little fall. Oh, this is cake. I love this. Oh, look how pretty that is. Okay, this is the little rope! Oh my God, okay, okay. I'm not yelling on a kid's right foot. I am getting hurt and slammed the left and right. Woo! Okay. Oh, what is this? What is this macaroni's happening here? Oh my God, okay. Well, that was the shortest chiropractor I've ever experienced. Good times, guys. Here we go. It's probably too low. It's recording. Woo! Alrighty, welcome to Slinky Dog Dash. Day 2 of 7 coasters. Oh my God, so aggressive. Whee! Oh, I like this. I like this. Here we go, to infinity and regret! Oh my God! Okay, joke's on me. It wasn't that bad. I'm not yelling you more. Okay. Oh, this is nice actually. I like this. Whee! Whee! Okay. Oh my God, it is ice cold. And I'm over here stretching out. Woo! Oh. Well. Okay. Okay, he said hang on. That means that we're coming to an end. That was fun, right, Jordan?
Yeah.
I get that right like a 2 out of 10. It was short. Why are people yelling? Hey, what's happening? Are we going now? Hey! He said hang on, not yeet! Oh my God, to the moon! Oh. No! Oh! This is not hanging on! It's more like hanging on for dear life! Woo! Okay, maybe not. Oh my God, oh my God. What is lunchbox? Oh! Oh my God! Oh, that aggressive turn! I'm too big for these chairs! Help! Okay, okay, oh! Oh, the big finale. Okay. That penguin's a liar. You are no friend, you are a deceiver. You said hang on, and you proceeded to yeet me into space. Oh, see you guys next time. Alrighty, welcome to Mount Everest, the forbidden journey. Just kidding. Whew. All right, guys, I'm a little nervous. I haven't done this in a while, so I don't really. Oh, that's not a good jerking action. I don't really remember. Okay, I remember this little baby hop. Whee! Jordan, put your hands up. Whee! Ooh. Okay, that's a little faster than I remember. Why is someone yelling behind us? Oh, okay. I am not secured in this chair. Oh, that jerk was not good. Take me out to dinner if you're gonna be that aggressive. We are high up in the mountains, y'all. We are high. But hey, now we're really cold. Oh my God, there's a crane over there. Disney magic. Look at all that rust. The old rust bucket, huh? Oh, okay. Just don't go past that. All right, good. We're good. Oh, look, it's the EPCOT ball way over there. That's it's at that end. That's always fun, right? Oh, okay. We're going backwards. No big deal. No big deal at all. Okay. Easy cheesy. Hey, yo! Why are you moving so fast? Oh, my head! Oh, are we upside down? Okay. I can't see. Oh my God. Can we just... Oh, what is this? Hagrid? Oh, we're good. Ooh, it's a Yeti. What's he doing? I just thought it's one aggressive Yeti. He broke the track. No big deal. And now we just go forward, right? We go forward. Yo! What in the magic mountain is this? Oh! Oh, my thighs! My thighs! Oh, heck no! Why is it so dark in here? What are we making? Spaghetti? These arms are heavy? Okay. Enough. You proved your point, Yeti. You proved your point. Oh my God. Okay. Oh, we're good. That was fun, Jordan. I give that ride 5 out of 2. Oh my God. Yo, there's a monster in here. What the heck was that? Okay. Oh. Well, that was something. I'll never be able to tell you what it was, but that was definitely something. You good, kid?
Yeah.
You good, bud?
Here.
Woo! See you next time. Alrighty, welcome to Seven Dwarfs. I got Samuel. Samuel, why are you yelling, bro? Why are you? Oh my God, it's cold. Oh, put my sleeves down. Oh, that's a baby drop. Is everybody ready? The what? What do you say?
I have no idea.
My hearing is bad. Hey, it's Ariel's grotto. Oh, you see right here? That's not cool. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh! Oh my God, yo! Wait a minute. I'm here for diamonds. Oh! This poor child next to me is getting squished. Okay, we're good. We good? Yo, this guy looks wicked. Hey man, let me get some. All right, this is nice. That dude is sleeping. He's living the life.
Side to side and I'll make it move.
I don't want to rock the... I gotta stay still though.
Oh yeah, the candy.
Yeah. Yo, who you calling a hoe? Oh, that's just rude. Oh, that's why, because we're done. Oh, we're done. We're cooked. We are cooked. Oh, this is gonna be a bad fall, isn't it?
I think we'll be fine. We're not.
This is aggressive. Hey, where's Snow White? Why are you keeping her from me? Oh, this is gonna be bad. Oh, that's not bad. It's right there. Okay. Sammy, we good?
I think we're fine. It's so slow and then it like...
Yeah, okay, this is fine. This is great. No, it's not! Oh my God, what an aggressive turn! Oh, that's not it? Woo! That was terrifying. Yo, that's not it! Why you lied to me? Oh! Oh my God! Oh! Oh, that's gotta be it. Look at this.
It can't be that
Look
bad.
at this. Look at this. Look at how I'm gripping. My hands turn white. I white knuckled that.
It's insane. Mine are completely pink and everything. Mine are fine.
That was aggressive. Where's the party? Where's the party at? Let us in. Yo, there's a whole party going on over there.
Yeah, that was really funny.
You have fun?
Yeah, no, it was funny because
Hey, look,
I didn't
it's
expect
my mother-in-law.
it.
All right, space travelers, welcome to Space Mountain, you gabagool. And of course, you can't see anything except for this, of course. Okay. What in the Sunset Hill Overdrive? Drank a little too much. It's a ball. Okay. Darkness. I'm not sure how much you guys can see, but you requested it, so here you go. Hey, there's spacewalking. Skywalkers over here. And Batman and Robin to my left. Batman. So this, oh look, the moon. That's the moon, baby. All right. And welcome to the I Can't See an Absolute Potato Crisp. Oh my God, yo! That was an aggressive turn. We're good. Okay, we're good. Hey, yo! Hey, what's with the toilet boat fluster? Oh! Oh my God! Ooh! There goes my hip. Okay, we're good. Oh, my love handles! Oh! Oh! Oh my God, yo, this ride is rough. Oh, okay. Too bad I can't see what's hurting me right now. Okay, well, wow, we are like zipping through space, I guess. Okay. Oh! Whoa! Oh! My gosh, shaking, that's third. Another martini. Okay, well, okay. Oh man, now I don't know why the lights are off. They don't want you to see the torture. Okay. Oh! So aggressive. Take me out to eat first, my God. Oh, toilet flush time. Whee! Okay, see, this is nice now. This I like. I'm assuming we're at the bottom. Oh, that was kind of rough. Yep, we're here. Whew, the spicy room. Okay. Oh, never mind. There's more apparently. And ladies and gentlemen, that's the ride. Hope you enjoyed it. Yes, sir. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I hate this. Yo! Oh my god! I don't want this kind of VIP! Oh, no! Oh my god, we're upside down. Oh, it's a spaghetti road. Oh! Okay, okay. The worst part is I can't see what's happening, so it terrorizes me. Oh! Okay, it's calmed down. That's good. Whew! Is it over? That was a good nope. Or it's not over. Woo! Okay. Oh! It's a little rough, right? I think, oh, it's a corkscrew, not the corkscrew. Take me out to eat before you give me a corkscrew. Okay. Ooh, here we go. All right, I think we're good. Oh, stop sign. I mean stop, right? Yo, we just ate a stop sign. We should get, oh, we ate another one. We need to get pulled over, and we're here. All right. Woo! Yikes. That's not the VIP I signed up for. Hey, you got spiky hair now. Good job.
Hey, here we go.
Oh! Oh my God. Okay, here we go.
Prepare for
Walk on a Tron life cycle run, baby.
Hold on, keep your head up, and face forward.
I've been uploaded to the grid. Everything looks delicious and nutritious. Right, Jordan?
I am Master Control and have taken over.
Oh yeah, baby. Team Blue for the win.
Throughout the grid.
Team Blue for the win. Ooh, red, the spicy version. No! Red meat stop! Red meat stop! Oh my God! Oh, okay, this is actually, oh, this is awesome actually. I like this. Oh, the fuck y'all run! Don't get up! Oh, oh, oh. And now
First
it's fun.
gate captured.
I can't see a potato chip.
Second
Oh
gate.
my God!
Ignore them. Keep going. 4. That was crazy. My soul definitely downloaded an update. Excellent work. The grid is now mine.
Woo!
Negative. Malicious
next
code
time.
neutralized.
Let's get the show started.
Never gonna work. Yeah. Well, okay. I walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large panic, then you're likely doomed.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
That man said, good luck, we're gonna need it. I'm all ready. Oh, just a jump point. Okay, we straight. Oh, we straight, y'all. We are good. Space traveling. The unusually large man. Must be talking about me.
Rock and roll from existence.
Oh, what is happening? We're in the front now for some reason. Whoever told me to pick row 9. Oh! Oh my God! Hey yo! Guru warned me, I didn't listen! I am screaming! Oh! What is? Are we upside down? Oh my God, okay.
We got the generator.
Oh, it's a good song! Goes great with my anxiety! Oh yeah? Let's go! Okay. Okay. Hey, I know the song. Jordan's my favorite song. Everybody wants to. Who's calming me down? No, it's not! Oh my God! Are we upside down? What is going on? What is the inversion resolute? Okay. Oh, the Milky Way. the coffee with that. Woo!
We're here. Of course it is about time.
There is a lot
Have you not
happening.
been paying attention?
This is very pretty.
Make your stop last.
Okay, now we're going up. I thought we already went up. Oh my God, it's the moon! Somebody get Gru! Oh, never mind! Never mind, don't get Gru! Oh! Okay, we're at the bottom now, right? We're good. Hey, look, it's Earth! I see Starbucks! Woo! Are we here? And we are back. You guys are awesome. Thank you for everything.